Hello everybody, welcome back to this channel, and today in this video I just like to show you how to download Play Store apps direct on SD card. So let's begin on it. So firstly you just need to go on your phone settings and now go on your My Device option, then go on All Space. Then there have an option you can see MIUI version. So you need to tap on this just 4 times, and then you can see you are now a developer. So you just need to list back and go on your settings list here. So now scroll down and go on additional settings, open on additional settings, and now scroll down and there have an option for developer option. You can see, open on it, and now scroll down, go at the last position, go on last position, and then there have an option you can see, force allow apps to write on. There you can see there have an option. You just need to enable this option, and now your all Play Store apps downloaded on your SD card. I hope you can understand and hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.